Okay, so let's jump right into it. I got a quick cop for you guys. So I got this item a while ago. Got a cop, but I forgot to do a video. I think it was before I started shooting. But yeah, it was at the end of the winter. Never really ended up wearing them. So yeah, now I can do it right now. Little preview unboxing unboxed. Here we got it. So this is another item by Parra. I really recommend you go check out the other video I did on it. I got a wool blanket, which is very, very cool. Excited to wear that next winter. Too bad it's summer now. Maybe I'll take a trip to the Arctic. You never know. Anyways, back to this item by Parra. I did not expect them to be this, like, thick and heavy. I thought they were going to be, like, a thin pant with this print on it with, like, a nice, like, thin Sherpa. But these are, like, heavy duty. Like, these are, like, not sweatpants. These are, like, snow pants. Like, these are, like, a blanket for your legs. So I'm going to be rocking these next winter on the cold days. Instead of wearing, like, sweatpants or whatever, I can just rock these, you know, to stay warm. And yes, I don't know if you can tell, but they're very, very hairy. I tried to lint roll the hair off because I didn't put them away properly, and dog hair got all over them, unfortunately. But yeah, these are so cool. Very expensive. They're called, like, the double gem design. Well, the video just froze, so I got to search what they were called. It was the duo gem Sherpa fleece pant, blue in medium. So, yeah, they're very expensive. I think the price tag's in here. I got them from deadstock.ca. Their official name's Livestock. Retail $265. Very expensive in that nice blue. Love the design on this thing. Got that beautiful embroidery as well. You know they got that quality. Quality. I was doing some research, and it's by the you know it's quality too, like the designs and everything, because it's made by like an artist who just decided to make his art into his own style, his own fashion. So yeah, got these drawstrings, not bad waistband, a Parra tag inside here. Byparra.com. The company's called By Parra. And shell, 100% polyester, lining, 75% cotton, 20% polyester, 5% spandex. Yeah, made in China. Tag in here. It's even got a little hanging string, which is nice. Made in China, medium, Parra. Little hanging thing if I want to hang it up at the door in the winter time, so I can be ready to go. Nice back pocket. The lining's actually really soft and nice, and it's like nice and cool. It'll probably keep cool temperatures or warm temperatures very well. It's like super nice. It's like soft, but also like sleek. You know what I mean? So I love that. One thing I don't know why is like they gave me like a custom tag. It didn't come with like the original tag. I forgot to inquire about that. I'm still gonna ask them and be like, yo, what's up? Why was it not their like original packaging? You know what I mean? Just to see. Probably a return, I imagine, just because people probably got it and had the same thoughts as me. Like, what? They did not expect it to be some like heavy duty pant, you know? And they're very expensive. Like, I was even contemplating returning them, but I just really mess with this company. I really love it, like it a lot. So I'm gonna keep them and rock them in the winter. Not bad cuff at the ankle too. And yeah, sorry. I don't know if I got cut off, but I was saying it was very, very hairy from my dog hair. Got those side pockets. The nice lining in them as well. But you can check out the preview at the end to see the detail of the design if you like, and to see the detail of the pant. It's actually a very nice, like, quality Sherpa. I don't usually like Sherpa, but this one's actually, like, not bad. It doesn't feel, like, too fake and, like, I don't even know the explanation, like, bleh, like woolly or whatever. But yeah, stay tuned for the preview. I'll try to lint roll some more hair off this bad boy, and yeah, I'll try them on for you right now before the preview, just to show you how they fit. Very, very big, you know. It's like they're big, like they're not like a big fit, they're just like thick. That's the word. They're thick. Okay. Putting them on is kind of annoying too, because the inner liner, and then like, ugh. Oh my gosh, like it's actually impossible. I need to sit down for this. And then it gets all like bundled up at the bottom. That's one thing I don't like about like the inner liner, is when you're trying to put them on, that's what happens. So yeah, and then when you put them on, they're actually like tight fitting though, because like they're very like tight to you, you know? So that's what's weird about them. Like, I thought they'd be, like, by the look of it, they're, like, huge and thick, so you think they'd be loose, but they're actually super tight, which is weird. But it's good for, like, if you're traveling around, like, going skiing or doing something, you know what I mean? Like, these will probably be, like, my new ski snow pants. And, like, they're kind of weird at the crotch, honestly. But, yeah, make sure to like and subscribe. Let me know what you guys think of these pants or this company. Comment below. I definitely really like this company by Parra, so I'm gonna be getting a lot more from them. So I'll be posting it, showing you guys what I get. Really like the company, the designs, and yeah, really well made. So that's what it's all about. Hope you guys enjoyed this. Stay till the end if you want to see that close-up preview with some lighting.
Change E made it to E got it.